Hi, Priyal.
Hi.
You are a wedding planner.
Yes, I am.
You might have seen the arranged marriages as well as the love marriages. Tell us the planning difference in both of them.
लड्डू तो दोनों बाजू है, अरेंज या लव, ओके, एंड सबको खाना है. उसके बाद डाइजेस्ट हो ना हो इज अ डिफरेंट बॉल गेम ऑल टुगेदर. इन लव यू नो दैट पर्सन, somewhere you know the family also, and you know what you're getting into. But in arrange, you are unaware.
Give me an incident where there was some tension.
That's controversial.
Controversial. मुझे ये फ्लावर नहीं, मुझे ये फ्लावर चाहिए.
ये तो बहुत छोटी चीज है.
क्या बोल रहे हो? Priyal, I was always curious about this Indian weddings. The reason was कि इतने सारे लोग आते हैं. ठीक है, मैक्सिमम कितने लोग आए होंगे आपने कोई वेडिंग किया है?
3,000 people.
3,000 people. उनको मैनेज करना. Hi everyone, I'm Reena Augustine from Community Impact. Today I have the pleasure of inviting this amazing guest, Priyal Mehta Bharatiya. Hi Priyal.
Hi.
You are a wedding planner.
Yes, I am.
And you've been running this company for the last 10 years.
That's true.
How old does your daughter turn this year?
6.
6 years. So you've been simultaneously looking after your child as well as running this business.
That's true.
All right. Running a business in India, being a woman. Okay. Tell me all the pros, not the cons.
So the advantage is the first advantage, the first advantage is being a woman.
Okay. I love that.
Yeah.
ये starting ही इतना बढ़िया है. Okay.
Yeah. I think once a woman decides that if she wants to do anything, trust me, anything, she can. Because only a woman who thinks that she can do, it's done. That's the first thought. So बस मैंने भी ऐसे ही किया.
Mm-hmm.
I thought about it, and then things started just happening with time.
So why wedding planning?
So, as you know, and as you correctly said, that I am a part of this country. I've been born and brought up in Bombay. I have seen a lot of cultures. With cultures, I have been from a joint family myself. So I have seen a lot of emotions, a lot of love, warmth myself. So I always wanted to do something which touches my soul. Serving people was there in my mind, but how, I didn't know, honestly. When I did my first wedding, and when I saw that, the meeting of two souls and people who are in love, we've seen this in Bollywood a lot, many times.
Absolutely.
So when people in love, they do, I've seen them doing anything and everything to be together. That is something that makes my heart, smile.
I love that.
And when I see that happening, and when I am doing that, it's the best feeling ever. When I see two people, even after having so many differences, not just within them,
Mhm.
but also with the families, and but still trying to get together. That feeling is just beautiful at the end of it. Nothing matters but love matters. And till date, that stays.
In a happy environment. So wedding planning is a happy environment because two souls are getting married.
Of course.
So you might have seen the arranged marriages as well as the love marriages. Tell us the planning difference in both of them.
Can I put this in Hindi?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल please.
So देखो, लड्डू तो दोनों बाजू है, अरेंज या लव, ओके, एंड सबको खाना है. उसके बाद डाइजेस्ट हो ना हो इज अ डिफरेंट बॉल गेम ऑल टुगेदर. The only difference, our prominent difference, in love you know that person. Somewhere you know the family also, and you know what you're getting into. But in arrange, you are unaware. You've met that person 2-3 times, right? But not more. So that's something, you don't know the family also. So clearly you don't know what culture, what environment, what kind of people you're getting in. And in a country like India, it matters a lot because everyone comes from a very different background, school of thought. Everyone doesn't have the same wavelength. So that's a major difference in love and arranged marriage.
Wow.
Also
that's
the
it.
expectations.
Expectations.
In love marriage, you are aware of this person, you also tell your family about the person, and you expect your family to adjust accordingly.
Hmm.
In arrange, it's otherwise sometimes because you expect the girl to understand first.
Oh, okay.
Because
Okay.
again, it's the family which is deciding this,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
It's not just two people. Of course, they meet, they know each other, but in 4 meetings, you can you decide, whether in 4 meetings I will be able to spend my life with him or with her.
हम्म.
It's difficult, right?
10 साल 15 साल निकल जाता है अभी तक नहीं पता चलता है. Oh my gosh.
So you got your
Four
answer.
meetings. 4 meetings. So, give me an incident where there was some tension.
Oh wow.
Aha.
That's controversial.
Controversial. Just a simple example.
Mm.
Where can tension arise? कहाँ पे? मुझे ये फ्लावर नहीं, मुझे ये फ्लावर चाहिए.
ये तो बहुत छोटी चीज है.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
ये तो बहुत छोटी चीज है. टेंशन तब आता है जब दोनों लोग इक्वल होते हैं. टेंशन
Okay.
तब आता है जब दोनों डिसीजन मेकर्स होते हैं.
अरे बाप रे.
एंड देन हु टू गो अहेड विद, हु मतलब किसका सुनना चाहिए, किसका करना चाहिए, उधर टेंशन आता है. बट अगेन एज आई सेड, व्हेन देयर इज लव, थिंग्स आर सॉर्टेड, रीना. Also, that's why people have wedding planners, because half the task we honestly become more than planners. We are either consultant by the end of it or mediators, because we try and make sure that we kind of make both the families very comfortable with each other and then go ahead
अच्छा.
with things.
अच्छा, तो मुझे ये बात नहीं पता था कि एक वेडिंग प्लानर को जब हायर करते हैं वो एक तरफा नहीं होता है, दो तरफा होता है.
Yes.
Okay, makes sense now. So in that way you try and talk to both the parties
Yes.
and you come to a conclusion and then happens.
Yes.
ठीक है. So you said that love होता है, right? Love marriage में love होता है, arrange marriage में क्या होता है?
That curiosity is there, na, that
अच्छा,
this
ठीक है.
partner is coming in my life.
ठीक है.
And not necessarily कि just because arrange है तो love नहीं होता है.
हम्म.
Sometimes वो बोला जाता है ना, I know it's very Hindi filmish, कि एक मुलाकात ही काफ़ी हो जाती है और कभी कभी तो जन्मों लग जाते हैं. But normally arranged marriage में we see that people are, inclined towards getting to know each other, and the family is more accepting because the families know each other.
Yes.
It's कैसे समझो, इंडिया में कहीं ना कहीं है ना, अभी भी फैमिली बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. एज यू करेक्टली सेड अ लिटिल व्हाइल अगो, बाकी सब जगहों में एट द एज ऑफ 18, 21, the kids are out and about. They are
Out.
independent.
Very.
Out here it's very different. The situation, the phenomena of the child leaving even after marriage is a big thing. Oh, छोड़ दिया.
It's
No,
looked down upon. तो कौन डिसीजन मेकर होता है? पेरेंट्स डिसाइड करते हैं कि मेरा बच्चा घर पे रहे या गो आउट करे? पेरेंट्स डिसाइड करता है कि मुझे ये चाहिए, या कपल डिसाइड करता है कि ये चाहिए, ये चाहिए, ये चाहिए शादी में? हु मेक्स अ डिसीजन?
Nowadays, I'll be very honest, still, because I've been a part of this industry for 10 years. It's mainly bride and groom, okay?
ओह नाइस.
Yeah.
कितना अच्छा लग रहा है सुन के.
Of course, of course.
हाँ.
And especially the bride, because in India, this is one more thing and why I'm emphasizing on India, because marriages elsewhere versus India is very different
Oh
ball
my
game.
gosh, it goes on and on and on. Oh my gosh.
So
wow.
even if the bride is, of this generation or next generation, she's always been told since childhood that you're going to get married, you're going to dress in a certain way, you're going to wear good jewelry. So she's always had that dream of doing her perfect wedding.
Yes.
So it's mainly the bride,
Hmm.
who wants to do everything.
Yeah, it has to be her day.
Yes.
And I think it's fair.
Yeah.
I think it's fair. Yeah. So, Priya, बड़े होते हुए आपको सपोर्ट किसका मिला? क्योंकि you come from a very good family, you joined family, everything was perfect. ठीक है, मैं perfect बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि that's how I see you, okay? I've known you for long now. कौन था आपका support person या group?
I think my family.
That.
In one word, my parents.
I like that.
And especially my father. And of course, after marriage, my husband. Yes.
So good to hear that, Priya.
Yes. And it's not because I'm here with
Yes.
you, but this is the truth of my life. My father, my family has never ever stopped me of doing anything. They've always kept it open, even though we don't come from that modern school of thought. It was very different back then when my grandfather was there, and it wasn't the same. My mother, my aunt is still a homemaker. So I always saw them, and I always had that one thing in mind, that financial independence today is very important. Though they have that kind of respect being at home, but yet there is a difference when a woman is working outside and the way she's looked upon, and the woman who is working home. In fact, I would also add up to this: a homemaker has a non-stop job. It's मतलब 24 घंटे भी कम है उसके लिए.
जी बिल्कुल.
मैं तो बाहर जाती हूँ, आई नो आई हैव टू कम बैक होम एंड मतलब 8 घंटा 9 घंटा 6 घंटा एंड आई एम डन. बट येट द वे पीपल लुक एट मी एंड द वे पीपल लुक एट द होम मेकर is very different.
Very different. Very different. Oh my gosh, you said it. And being financially independent right now is so important.
It is.
पता है, भले सपोर्ट मिले, पेरेंट्स से मिले, सब कुछ मिले, पैसा है, लेकिन जब आप खुद कमाते हो और आपके खुद के अंदर एक इंडिपेंडेंस फीलिंग आती है,
True.
और वो हर एक लड़की को महसूस होना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है.
100%.
है ना? आई लव दैट वन. प्रियल, बिजनेस करना इस कंट्री में आसान नहीं है, ठीक है, क्योंकि हमारी आबादी 1.3 बिलियन पीपल है यहाँ पे.
Right.
तो क्या मुश्किलें आई आपके बिजनेस इंडस्ट्री में इन 10 सालों में?
So, okay, competition सब जगह है.
जी.
Okay, we all know about COVID, which hit really badly. And at one point, जब Zoom पे शादियाँ होती थी और 50 लोगों की शादियाँ होती थी, at one point we also thought, is this going any further? Will I have to, should I continue with the same industry? Because of course it was COVID and stuff, But again, there's one thing that I understand, Reena, and maybe, if you have faith in yourself, if your work is good, your work talks about itself. Of course, there's a lot of competition, and as you clearly said, there's a lot of population. But हर एक के पास काम है. वो मतलब जो इंसान काम करना चाहे ना, वो हर एक इंसान के पास काम है. And I've seen that. मतलब मेरे बाद भी 10 प्लानर्स आए होंगे, ओके, सेम इंडस्ट्री में, और आज मैं उनको भी जब पूछती हूँ ना, कि हाउ इज इट गोइंग, हाउ इज योर सीजन, आई विल नेवर हियर कि नहीं यार सीजन तो अच्छा नहीं है, मेरे पास कुछ काम ही नहीं है. ईदर इट्स ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज, और आप बोल दो यूनिवर्स का कमाल है. आपका काम अच्छा है तो वो आएगा ही आएगा. येस, वी डू नॉट हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ सपोर्ट फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर. Many people do not even have family support, financial support. But if you have that faith in yourself and the confidence of doing something, you are there.
I love it. प्रियल, जो आपने मुझे बोला कि मुझे ये इवेंट करने से, ये वेडिंग प्लानिंग करने से मुझे खुशी मिलती है ना? तो ये खुशी मिलना कितना ज़रूरी है. पता है कितने साल लग जाते हैं लोगों को पता लगाने के लिए कि मुझे क्या पसंद है इस लाइफ में करने को, और आपने ये 10 साल पहले डिसाइड, आपका पता चल गया कि आपको करना क्या है. इतना आसान था कि कुछ और करियर आपने ट्राई किया है?
मैंने कोई और करियर ट्राई नहीं किया
अरे
है.
बाप रे.
But again, a quote: happiness lies within. Okay. If it's too philosophical, I know, and it's
I would
going,
love that. Please do it.
I'm
Please say
going
it.
there.
हाँ.
But as I said, okay, I don't know how to put this across, Reena. But सबके पास ये लीजर नहीं होता है चूज करने का.
जी.
Today I had the leisure to choose my own career. Maybe there are many women out there who do not have this leisure, and they have to do because of many other reasons and criteria in life, Again, I would just say one thing: put your heart and soul to something that you really feel that this is me. Once you feel that this is me and you make that as your passion, वो चीज़ मल्टीप्लाई होने में टाइम नहीं लगता
है ना? I like that.
अगर मैं आज कंप्यूटर के सामने एक जॉब प्रोफाइल में होती, शायद मुझे इनकम आ जाती मंथली, शायद मेरा आई वुड बी ओके, बट आई वुडंट डू इट विद ऑल माई हार्ट एंड सोल.
करेक्ट, सिर्फ करने के लिए. अच्छा, वेडिंग प्लानर बनने के लिए पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती है?
नहीं, टू बी ऑनेस्ट नहीं.
नहीं, ओके, आप क्रिएटिव होना चाहिए.
Yes, one of the things कि creative होना चाहिए. But simply बोलूँ तो there are 3 most simple things being a wedding planner. एक तो management skills, okay, because that is utmost important. Because you have to not just manage your vendors, your clients, but you have to manage even the smallest things. अगर घोड़ी के बदले घोड़ा आ जाए तो भी प्रॉब्लम है.
ओके,
Yes,
ओ बाप रे,
बारात के वक्त आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. अगर ब्राइड की ज्वेलरी राइट नहीं है या मेकअप वाला किधर अटक गया है तो वो भी प्रॉब्लम है. सो योर टाइम मैनेजमेंट, योर प्लानिंग, सो इधर सब कुछ आ गया. अगर आप लाइफ में भी प्लानिंग अच्छे से करते हो so you're sorted.
Yeah.
So planning is utmost important, which starts 6-8 months prior in India for any wedding. Once that is planned, your execution is on point. Second, I would also say your vision, where your creativity comes. Many a times, bride, groom या family क्या बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और क्या अंतर है, they are 2 different things. But if you understand their vision and if you put that across to them, they are at ease.
wow.
So that's your creativity. Third thing is being a good listener. आप आज मुझे बताओ, ठीक है, आप बॉम्बे में हो, आप इंडिया घूमे हो, कितने लोगों के पास टाइम है आपको एक्चुअली सुनने के लिए? Today, if you want to say something, do people really have the time to listen to you? Because we are in a fast-paced moving life and people are just, up and about.
That's it.
Half the job is done when you are a good listener. So they don't want to, honestly, they don't want to communicate anything. They just want you to listen. All my brides, all their families, they just want you to listen. And once you listen, you have that calm and composure in you that reflects outside.
Yeah.
And they feel the job is done.
Yeah. So you're very calm and composed from the time I met you. Do you do any yoga? What is it keeps you calm and composed?
I guess positivity.
Positivity. Yes, I've always seen you positive. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's talk about the food at the wedding. Oh my God.
Yes.
The variety of food.
Yes.
So you have to do the order too? Is it a part of...
Yes.
It's a part of a plan. Oh my gosh,
Yes,
okay.
Yes, it's a department which we have to handle, which is known as F&B. So, of course, there are 4 different functions, 4 to 5 different functions. So, हर एक के लिए मेन्यू प्रिपेयर करना पड़ता है. सेम खाना दूसरे इवेंट में नहीं हो सकता, वो आपने भी देखा होगा. So, if there is chart is mandatory. Chart is there in almost all the functions.
Yeah.
Okay, because chart नहीं हो, पानी पूरी नहीं हो, that wedding is only not a
there.
wedding. But something like if it's a Marwadi wedding, if dal bati is there, then it has to be, because it's authentic, it has to be in a wedding function.
Ji.
And it cannot be repeated in any other function.
Yeah.
So we have to be a part of it to know,
इतना ध्यान देना पड़ता है, everything. And how long does it take? It takes 6 to 8 months for you to plan also? Work on it?
So it works parallelly. It's family with the planner, because without them we can't make decisions. We are here to help them. We are their mediators to get everything under one roof. But if we don't get enough support from them, then it's a tricky situation.
Gosh, love it. So Priyal, अगर हम आज की जो लेडीज़ हैं, विमेन हैं, उनको मोटिवेट करना है कोई भी चीज़ स्टार्ट करने के लिए लाइफ में, ठीक है, जैसे आप हैं, इतनी बड़ी एंटरप्रेन्योर है, आप 3 important things वो उनको फॉलो करने के लिए क्या बोलेंगे? 3 important things for them to get ahead like you. What are the 3 things that you follow?
Okay, firstly, I would say, we women, we do not appreciate ourselves, Reena, as much as we should. And because of which there is always that self-doubt, मैं बराबर कर रही हूँ क्या? ये करना चाहिए क्या? ये ठीक नहीं है, ये क्या सोचेगा? But why not, in a way, why not we take it the other way around? कि, ये ठीक है, मैं बराबर ही कर रही हूँ. I am a good mother. I am a good wife. I am a good daughter. Because the amount of roles we are playing, as a woman, is beautiful in itself. So start giving credit to yourself first, is what I would suggest.
Yeah.
Once you start doing that, the way the world will look at you, you will see a difference because you are accepting yourself. Okay. Other thing is, of course, as I said earlier also, your passion towards things. Because बहुत roadblocks आएंगे, बहुत judgments भी आएंगे, बहुत opinions आएंगे, but at the end, do what your heart says. I think these are the two things that I
Yeah,
would,
I love it, I love
and
it.
you do you, and you are great at it, is what I would say.
Be yourself, है ना?
Yes,
And
yes.
follow exactly the passion that you want to do. What makes you happy? Find that out and
100%.
move forward in that way. Priyal, I was always curious about these Indian weddings. The reason was कि इतने सारे लोग आते हैं. ठीक है, maximum कितने लोग आए होंगे आपने कोई wedding किया है?
3,000 people.
3,000 people.
Yes.
I have friends who have, I want only friends and family, and we've got 50 people. That's what,
Yeah.
those are the weddings I've
Those are
been to.
COVID weddings.
COVID weddings. 3,000 people. उनको manage करना उस venue में, it's like a, और ये सिर्फ अपने देश में हो सकता है. हमारा इंडिया में ही, हमारा नेबर से लेकर के बाजू वाला, everybody is here. So, do you get overwhelmed?
I think this has been a part and parcel again because I've been born and brought up here. I've seen this always. So being overwhelmed is not the right word, but every single time seeing a new wedding, a new culture, is something that gets me happier, or I'm overwhelmed with that because it's something different that I'm learning. Like a nikah is different than a Hindu wedding.
So you do any religion
Yes,
wedding? Oh my
yes.
gosh,
That's why-
that's a
that's
whole
why-
different topic
yes,
now.
yes.
Wow, so many religions, and religion के साथ साथ Jain हो गए,
Yeah.
and Buddhist हो गए, and all that.
Yeah. As I'm saying कि कितने different cultures में आजकल शादी हो रही है. Like a Marwadi is getting married to a South Indian,
Yes.
and you have to follow both the cultures
Oh wow.
because it's never settled at one. जो साउथ इंडियन है उनकी शादी ही होती है 5 बजे सुबह, ठीक है, और जो पंजाबी लोग हैं उनका तो चालू ही होता है विथ लिकर.
Correct.
उसके बिना तो शादी नहीं.
नहीं.
जो
नहीं.
मारवाड़ीज होते हैं वो रात को 2 बजे शादी करते हैं.
मुहूर्त के हिसाब से.
yes.
Yeah.
So it's beautiful. It's
Mm.
very beautiful, very colorful.
Okay. So the final question is, कितना खर्चा होता है?
Oh my god.
इतने दिन, एक दिन मेहंदी हो गया, एक दिन हल्दी हो गया. India spends a lot on weddings. So maximum बताओ मुझे.
पूरा बजट ही वेडिंग्स पे
है ना?
यार आप देख लो.
हमारी जिंदगी ही बजटिंग वेडिंग में हो गया. I love
सबसे
that.
ज्यादा तो इट्स
हम्म,
स्पेंट ऑन वेडिंग्स.
Wow.
मतलब दिस इज वन इंडस्ट्री जहाँ रिसेशन आ ही नहीं सकता.
है ना? सबको शादी करनी है.
Of course.
Of course.
And if you belong to that kind of status symbol, you will spend.
I
You
know.
will, because you have to be there in the society, right?
Yeah.
उसके बिना तो
Yeah. और पता है सोच भी ऐसी है कि हम एक ही बार तो करने वाले शादी. Why not do it the
Yeah,
best
yeah,
way,
yeah.
right?
एंड इसने ऐसे की है
हाँ.
तो मैं भी यही लेवल पे हूँ, इसी सोसाइटी में हूँ, so I will have to go a little
Higher.
higher.
है ना? I
Yeah.
like that. चलो कोई नहीं. So boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, अगर if you follow the passion and if you know what exactly you want that makes you happy, I think you can do anything in this world. That's what I have learned from Priyal. Priyal runs an events company called the Niche Events, which is in Mumbai and been doing it for 10 years. So if you want to get married or want any tips, please go to Priyal. Thank you so much, Priyal,
Thank you
for
so
coming
much
here
for
today.
having me.
Thank you.